Hello everyone, this is Ashwini from Cheenta. Today I want to talk to you about the problem solving workshop this week. So if you go to Cheenta's website, then in the top menu there are many resources. One of them is the problem workshop. If you click on there, you will see the different topics that are being covered this week. So this is how a Cheenta program works. You have the concept classes and homework classes. That's one set of things happening. Then you have the one-on-one classes happening weekly or monthly, depending on your subscription. And then you have the problem solving workshops. These happen once, twice, or 5 times every week. This is separate. Now, what happens in these problem solving workshops are you are exposed to a variety of problems from different topics of different levels of difficulty. The fun thing is, we have noticed over the years that the most successful students at Cheenta are very regular at the problem solving workshops. There must be some correlation. So if you are a Cheenta student, I strongly recommend you that you attend the problem solving workshops apart from the concept classes and one-on-one classes. Now, this year, something really nice happened. In 2022, in ISI and CMI entrances, 8 out of the top 100 students were from Cheenta, and 6 out of 628 students who succeeded among lakhs of students in IOQM, that is the first level of Math Olympiad in India, were also from Cheenta. So we were overjoyed to see that these kids were the ones who were really regular in the problem solving classes. So I'm saying this over and over again. Take this seriously. If you are a Cheenta student, make sure to attend the problem solving classes really regularly. And if you come to this page, you will see the different topics that are being covered. For example, in this week, I'm recording this on 8th. So this is between 5th and 11th of December 2022. In the junior problem workshop, they are covering topics on sieve of Eratosthenes and divisibility properties. This is topics from number theory or numerical patterns. These topics are attended by students up to grade 4. So these are really young kids. Then we have the intermediate problem workshop, which is directed toward NMTC and AMC 8. This one happens 5 times a week. The workshop B happens twice every week. So workshop A and workshop B both are covering topics from algebra, like factor theorem and remainder theorem, a topic from geometry, triangular inequality, and a topic from number theory, which is modular arithmetic. So as I told you, different topics from different parts of mathematics coming together in one place. That's exactly what problem solving workshops are for. And this workshop A happens 5 times every week. So imagine a student who is doing this sort of problems or getting exposed to this sort of problems 5 times every week, week after week. Of course, that student will be successful at some point, right? And then if you go to the senior problem workshop, which is for IOQM and AMC 10-12, this is also happening 4 or 5 times every week. They are covering number theory topics like prime numbers, basics of congruences, modular inverses, Chinese remainder theorem, and Farmer's little theorem. So sort of a overview of the entire elementary number theory. Excellent. Finally, we have the INMO batch, which meets, I think, 4 times every week, and the ISI-CMI Entrance problem solving batch, which also meets 4 times every week. The INMO batch is working on algebra topics like binomial theorem, multinomial theorem, hockeystick identity, and so on. And the ISI-CMI Entrance batch is working on a very beautiful topic, spiral similarity and complex numbers. So if you are at Cheenta, if you are a student at Cheenta, make sure to take advantage of these problem solving classes and do it regularly. Not once, not twice, regularly. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Until that time, please keep on doing great mathematics and stay happy. All right. Bye.